Students, yes, students, today I define you Laplace transformation. Yes, now first I want to define you the definition of the Laplace transformation. Let ft be a function of t, yes, defined for all positive values of t. Therefore, the Laplace transformation, the Laplace, yes, the Laplace transform of f of t is defined by fs as Laplace, yes, Laplace ft. This is defined as fs, yes, which is equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft, yes, dt. This is the main definition. Provided the integral exists and where s is the parameter which may be real or complex, yes, which may be real or complex. Yes, this is the main definition. And here you see this is L, which is Laplace operator, and this is form is called the Laplace transformation. Okay. Now I defined you the some properties of Laplace definition, or you say that you have to find out some functions for the Laplace transformation. Yes, first one we have to find out the Laplace transformation of Laplace transform of Laplace. First point, let us suppose that A, yes, Laplace transform of t to the power n. Yes, so from the definition you go from here, yes, from the definition t to the power n, that is Laplace of f of t according to definition, which is defined as, you always remind this, f of t, this is equal to 0 to infinity, yes, e to the power minus st ft dt. Okay, so from here you find out the Laplace transformation of t to the power n. So substituting here is, that is Laplace t to the power n, and this is defined as 0 to infinity e to the power minus st, and here you substituting t to the power n, yes, t to the power n dt. So also from here you say that this is the power of t to the power n, e to the power, the integral is like that. So you can also substitute, let us suppose that st is equal to, let, yes, st is equal to x, then dt you have to find out, yes, so s dt, which is equal to dx. Okay, now substituting here, and limit you say that from here to here, this is already here t from 0 to infinity, so again from x from also is 0 to infinity, yes, 0 to infinity e to the power minus x e to the power, yes, minus xn, and t become from here is t is x by s, yes, x by, okay, x by s, this whole to the power n. And now what is dt from here is dx by s, yes, then dx by s, yes. So from here this integral you find out, this is again is equal to 1 by s to the power n plus 1, yes, okay. Now the integral from 0 to infinity e to the power minus x, and again x to the power become n dx, yes, okay. And you also know the gamma function. According to the gamma n, you know the formula is gamma n, you know gamma n is, yes, you know this is 0 to infinity e to the power, yes, minus t and t to the power n minus 1 dt, yes, you know this formula. Yeah. So you apply from here e to the power minus t dx is here, so you from here you operate plus 1 and minus 1, yes, this becomes gamma n, then here is, so this becomes gamma n plus 1. So according to this can be written as gamma n plus 1, okay, and divided by s to the power n plus 1, yes, clear, if, yes, s is greater than 0 and n plus 1 is, yes, greater than 0, okay, then become this is. And also you know gamma of n plus 1, which is factorial of n, so this can be again be written as factorial n divided by s to the power n plus 1. So you find Laplace t to the power n is equal to this one, yes. So this is the first formula, yes. Therefore according to this you have to find out gamma n is this one, okay, yes. And now similarly now according to this you can find the particular values, yeah, yes, that is you can find the Laplace of different values, that is case 1 Laplace of 1, yes. So from here you substituting Laplace, if you substitute here n is 0, then this is t to the power 0, yes, and t to the power 0 which is 1, then you can substituting here is, you substitute here is n is equal to, yes, n is equal to 0, then here is factorial 0, and s to the power 0 plus 1, that is this becomes 1 by s, yes, Laplace of t to the power 0, or this is equal to 1 by s. So you know the formula Laplace is 1 by s, yes, okay, clear. And now similarly here from the Laplace t to the power n, suppose that this one is, let us 1, and next thing is, yes, Laplace of t, yes, for t you can also write t is n is 1, yes, Laplace of t, that is n is 1, okay, here substituting this one, and this one n is factorial 1 divided by s to the power n plus 1, that is this become 1 by s square, yes. Now so on, so you can find out these are the Laplace t, Laplace. Similarly from third we can define, if we find Laplace of t square, yes, similarly this become, yes, Laplace t to the power 2, that is this become 1 by 2 by factorial, yes, 2 divided by s to the power 2, 2 plus 1, that is 3, yes, and so therefore this is equal to 2 by s cube. So similarly all the same thing you can find the nth term of this is, okay, this is the form, these are the These are the important results for the Laplace transformation. Yes, and similarly so on, you can find out the nth term. Okay, and now the next one we have to find out Laplace of second one is we have to find out Laplace of, yes, similarly you have to find out Laplace of e to the power Laplace. Second one is, that is, let us suppose that B Laplace e to the power at. Yes, from that same definition here is f is equal to, yes, e to the power at. So you apply the same formula, Laplace of e to the power at. Yes, this is again is equal to, from this formula, 0 to infinity e to the power minus st, and here is the function f is e to the power at. So substituting here is e to the power at and dt. Now applying both these, therefore 0 to infinity e to the power minus of, this become s, yes, s minus a t, okay, dt. And now you can take the limit of that is integrating this, you get the e to the power of something of this is, that is you get 1 by, yes, e to the power minus of this one here is, so 1 by, yes, s minus a, limit of this is, okay, if s is greater than 0. Yes, similarly that is the formula, you can learn it, L e to the power a t become this is, okay, so this is this one. Yes, similarly you can find Laplace of, yes, Laplace of sin at. Yes, you can find out Laplace of sin at. Yes, from the same way you applying the formula, and which is the formula is Laplace, you know, yes, Laplace of f of t, okay, this is equal to 0 to infinity, yes, e to the power minus st and ft dt, okay, ft dt. So here is ft is here, yes, here ft is, yes, here ft which is equal to sin of at, yes, sin at. So substituting here you see that this is again is equal to Laplace, yes, sin at, है ना, sin at, this is equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus st and sin at dt. Yeah, here you use a formula of the integral calculus, since you know that this formula is e to the power integral e to the power ax sin bx dx is equal to e to the power ax and divided by a square plus b square a sin bx minus b cos bx. You know this formula, okay, from the integral calculus you know this formula, so you can write down here is, so substituting for the same formula here is, yes, so this can be written as, so Laplace of sin at, yes, this can be written as for the same, yes, here a is s and b is a, yes, so applying the here is this become e to the power minus st, okay, divided by s square plus a square minus s sin a t minus a cos a t. Yes, this whole to the power limit from 0 to infinity. So you get the value is a by s square plus a square. Yes, so you can similarly, so you get the formula is Laplace sin a t is, yes, Laplace sin a t, this is equal to, yes, this become a by s square plus a square. Yes, this is the one. Yes, and similarly you can find, yes, similarly I think you can find substituting Laplace of cos a t. Yes, cos a t you can similarly find, yes, substituting here, and you find operating the formula is also, this is the cos of bx, then you can find this is again is b, yes, you can operating the same p, this is s by s square plus a square. Yes, you can easily obtain this result. Yes, just like a sine. Yes, this is here. Yes, these are the formula. And similarly, yes, similarly the next thing, similarly the substituting the formula is, you can find also the different point. This is for that the Laplace of, similarly you can find Laplace sin hyperbolic at. Yes, yes, you can also operate this one hyperbolic. So you substituting here is, you know that this is again written as Laplace e to the power at minus e to the power minus at and divided by 2. Yes, from this you can obtain the Laplace of hyperbolic of at, because dividing both 2, this can be also be written as half of, yes, half of Laplace e to the power at, yes, and minus half of, yes, yeah, or you can say that half of Laplace e to the power minus at. Yes, this is the same way operating this one. Yes, so you can also find out this formula, Laplace of this one. Yes, this and Laplace of this, and also e to the power at, you know that this one. Yes, e to the power at, you know. So you can substituting both, and now you get, then this is equal to this one, this is equal to, you get half of 1 by s minus a. Yes, and minus of 1 by s plus a. Yes, so you get this formula is become as a by s square minus a square. Yes, if s is greater than a. This is the formula for the sine hyperbolic. Similarly, you can find out the formula for the Laplace of cos hyperbolic at. Yes, okay. Yes, these are the form that you have to can find out the different types of the for the difference function, you find out the Laplace transformation. Yes, next video I will define you some other properties of the Laplace transformation. Yes, okay. Yes, okay, from this you have to find out the Laplace transformation next time.